So over here, you can see that I have some masks over here just like this. And these are the masks right here. And if I were to go around and click, you can see the mask overlay, it is red in color. But if you want to go around and change around the overlay color right here, so you can see that I have the mask over here, and as I click on this or hover around, you can see that it is red. If I want to change the color, then I can simply click on the three dot button right here and then go to color overlay options. And you can change around the opacity and the color of the overlay right here. And as I go around and hover around, you can see that the mask color changes up. Let me just go around and add in another mask right here and go for the brush right here. You can see the mask right here changes to green right here. Let me just go around and click on show overlay, and it keeps on showing the overlay. And over here you can click on the color and change around how this looks. As you can see, like you want to go for green or unaffected areas as well, so you can go around and reverse the affected and unaffected areas just like this, and then work around with the overlay according to how you want as well, and work around with the brightness as well just like this. And that is how you can work around with the mask overlay options inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.